Yeah, we got John Casmon in the house. What's
Yay!
up, brother?
What's going on? What's
Oh
going
man,
on?
I'm
How's
so
everybody doing?
pumped up to hear what you have to say, to talk shop on capital raising, anything else. I've given these guys full autonomy to talk about anything that they want to. John, how the heck are you, brother?
Listen, I'm great, but I can't start with me. I got to give it up to my man Tyler. What a great
Yeah.
presentation he just walked through. This dude had no notes and just riffed for like 20 minutes straight with just straight mindset on raising capital. So big kudos to my man Tyler on that.
Yeah, man, Tyler is amazing. Definitely connect with him. John, what are we going to be chatting about today? I've given you autonomy to talk about whatever you want to. What are your thoughts on what you're going to discuss today?
Yeah, so we're going to go over the 3 C's to attracting capital. So I've got a presentation I'll walk you through. But in short, Tyler gave a lot of great information on mindset. And I think mindset is really critical. And we'll get into that a little bit. But I'm a firm believer that there are a couple of components that every successful syndicator, capital raiser, they embody. And they're what we call the 3 C's. So we're going to talk about that in just a second.
No, I mean, tear it up, brother. I think we're
Absolutely.
ready for you.
Vink, if you could let me share my screen, that would help. Awesome. Excellent. Let's jump into this. All right. I know we got a very nice tight window. So let's get into this real quick. All right. First and foremost, Ruben introduced me. I appreciate that. Before we get into me, I got to ask, what concerns do you have